Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make an amazing Netherlands windmill? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own Holland-themed Netherlands windmill. Obviously a miniature version, not a really big scale one. So all you're going to need is a cup, some split pins, some colouring in, paper, and obviously some paper itself. So first of all, with your cup, now it can obviously be either a plastic cup or paper cup. If it's paper cup, obviously it's better for the environment, but also it's probably better for drawing on and so on and so forth. So what you want to do is you want to draw a kind of like a windmill kind of look on it. It's a bit like that. So there we are. So I've got my two obviously windows, got my door, I've got some beautiful flowers obviously on the bottom there. Alright, then what you want to do is you want to have a little bit of a hole at the top there. So if it's plastic, be careful, but if it's paper, it'll probably be easier to obviously just make a little hole in there. And there we are. So I've got like a little hole downside of a plastic one. It's dented my top. Then you want to make your bit of paper into obviously a square. So once you've got your square paper, you should have obviously an X marks the spot. Now what you want to do is with this X is kind of like a guideline. So you want to obviously cut along that line for up to about an inch just before it hits the middle. So I'll show you. Now you can obviously mark it on there, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is just eyeball it, which obviously I'm guessing you shouldn't do, but hey, like that. And then, so what you're going to do now, you should have like that. Okay, so you want to put one point into the middle. And then obviously the opposite point. Yeah. So what should really happen now is that you should, now you can obviously either glue this in the middle if you wanted to, or how I'm going to do it is, so you should have something that looks like that, okay? And then I'm going to put my split pin through the centre of them all. And there we go. And then all you need to do is basically put that into the hole that you obviously made, and then split the pin up. Then you have yourself a cool little windmill. Don't make it too tight though. Hey! So we go. Obviously the tighter you put it, the harder it's going to rotate, but there we are. That's how you make your very own Netherlands Holland themed windmill. So if you've liked this video, then obviously give it a like. Consider subscribing. We're so close to 7,000 subscribers, which is amazing, so thank you for that, and share it around. It's a really cool activity that you can do if you're going to do things with Holland and obviously Amsterdam and Netherlands and that sort of place. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.